Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to learn about letters. You can see here I have taken one picture of letter envelope. You can see here. So can you tell me what is the meaning of letter? You don't know? Let me tell you. We can say a letter is a written or printed message that we send or you send to somebody. Various kinds of letters are there, but in English grammar, there are only two kinds of letter. The first one is formal letter and second one is informal letter. We write formal letter where there is formal relation, and we write informal letter when there is informal relation. The relation between father, mother, or if you are writing a letter to your brother or sister or your friends. If you are writing letters to your friend, then it is what? Informal letter. Whenever you write a letter to your relative or friends, then it is what? Informal letter, because you have informal relation with them. Now come to the formal letter. The relation between teacher and student, the relation between principal and the student is formal relation. It is not personal relation. So if there is formal relation, then we write what? Formal letter. जैसा relation होगा वैसा ही letter लिखना है. So in formal letter, in case of formal letter, we generally consider these kinds of letter like application, letter to editor, business letter. There are so many letters, but according to your level and syllabus, you have to study the at first what? Application and letter to editor. Okay. Now, let me tell you something about formal letter. I will teach you formal letter and informal letter, but in order to understand the formal letter, at first you need to understand the different important parts of formal letter. So there are mainly four important parts of formal letter. The first one is heading. Second one is salutation. Third one is body of letter. And the fourth one is subscription. One by one, I will tell you what we can write in heading part. In heading, we will write to the principal, Luz Convent Girls Inter College, comma, then Gazipur. After that, we will put here a full stop. Salutation. In salutation, we write respected sister, and if you are writing to any, if you are writing an application to any male principal, then you will write respected sir. But we are writing now a letter. We are writing an application for our school, and you know very well in our school we have sister G as the principal. So we will write here respected sister. And then the third important part is body of letter. So we can start writing with this. With due respect, I beg to say. And after that, whatever you want to write, you will continue. At the end, the fourth important point is what? Subscription. At the end of the application, you have to write yours obediently, XYZ. Your concept will be more clear when I will give you sentence example. Let's see the model of application. This is what? Model application for what? Model formal letter. Here I will give you one example of leave application. So you can see here the heading, leave application. All right. Question is given, write an application to the principal of your college or school, anything, requesting her to give you 2 days sick leave. So you know very well, we have to keep in mind at first we are supposed to write here the heading. So what is the heading here? To the principal. At first we are supposed to write here heading part. This is the first part of the application, formal letter. To the principal, comma, Los Convent Girls Inter College, comma, and at the end Gazipur, the place. Okay, and then come to the second part. In second part, what is the second important part of the formal letter? That is salutation. We will write here respected sister, then we will add here comma. This is second important point, and after that there is what? Third point. What was that third point or the third important part? Body of letter. So we can start writing the body of letter with these words. With due respect, I beg to say that, and after that you have to add, you have to write whatever you want to write here. I have written here, like, with due respect, I beg to say that I have been suffering from fever since last night, so I am unable to come to school. After giving full stop, we will write here, kindly grant me sick leave for 2 days. That is from 10th October to 11th October 2020. Thanking you. At the end, that is fourth important part of formal letter, is subscription. In subscription, we can write here, yours obediently. Okay, you can write also yours sincerely. But for student, it is the best, yours obediently. If you are writing an application in the examination room, then you will not mention your name, class, roll number. You will write, instead of writing your name, your class, your roll number, you will write simply XYZ. But if you are writing an application in real life, then it is very, very important to write your name, your class, your roll number, and here at the end also you will mention here date. How you will mention the date? What is the correct way to write the date? Here, just left side of yours obediently, you will mention here date. Suppose that today is what? 9th October. So we will write here 9th October 2020. This is the proper way to write the date in the application. So like this only you have to write the date. So this was all about the formal letter. I taught you everything, meaning of letter, parts of letter, important parts of letter, and after that I gave you also one model of leave application. In next class, I will teach you another kind of letter. Thank you very much.